Hello guys, this is a long overdue video. Been getting a lot of love from the BMW community about my car and what I've done to it. So I thought I'd make a video just to explain all the mods that I've done so far. Most of it is exterior. I haven't done anything on the power yet. I'm waiting to do that probably end of this year. But I've done quite a few exterior mods on the car, so I'm just going to take you through some of them. This is my chance to say thanks for all the support we get and all the love that I get on Facebook. So I've got a lot of people asking questions about the mods on the car and where I've got the parts. So I'm just going to run through all the bits and pieces that I've done so far. So the wheels are MB design wheels. So they're based up in Germany, but they also have like a retailer, stock retailer here in the UK in Northampton. They were made in Germany from factory. I know a bit dirty at the moment, but this is my daily. And they are 20-inch KV1 concave MB design wheels. There's the MB design there. I think they look really good. They were made for this car. I originally saw them on R8 in the photos, and I thought they would look good on this car. A good contrast against the blue, and I really wanted to go for concave. And they're actually on Continental Contact 6s. These are really grippy tyres. They've been fantastic for me on a daily drive, ripping it through the A roads and B roads. I get lots of grip on them, and they're really good in the wet as well. So I wanted Michelin's Pilot Sports. They wouldn't wrap around the alloy that I've got, so I went with Contact 6s. So yeah, I'm going from the ground up. So you've got the wheels there. These are the carbon extensions, and they go right across the bottom of the car. Got them done by M Star in Romford. Also on the same day they fitted H&R springs, lowering springs, and it's just it's not like a huge gap, but it's a practical gap for me. The wheel fills up most of the arch, but I didn't want it too low because obviously this is a daily car, speed humps and all, and with the carbon bits and all, I didn't want to start scraping them up. So yeah, it's a good practical daily drop on the H&Rs, and they do well. They do very well on this car. It's a big car, but it really handles the bends. So moving on to the back spoiler. This is also carbon. So basically the theme of this, what I wanted to do is try and get all carbon parts. Obviously I ain't done the wing mirrors yet, but I just wanted to get all exterior carbon parts. I was looking at wrapping the roof, but I didn't think that the same real carbon weave was on the roof matched, so I went against it. But yeah, this is a carbon. It's kind of like a duck tail spoiler. I think it looks really good. It sets the back off nicely. If you just look at the back end there, yeah, it just flicks up and it's really good on there. So moving on to the front, you've got the front 3-piece front splitter. So you've got the 2 separate pieces, okay, and then you've got the bottom splitter that goes right along the bottom. Yeah, it just sets off the front of the car really nicely. I may be looking at an Auto Vogue front end, but I'm still undecided yet. But at the moment, it just gives the front end a bit of a different look to the standard. This was an M Sport car, so yeah, it fits on there really well. The front splitter, which I got from Fast Lane Styling, they fitted that for me. The kidney grills, obviously they're just black. You can pick them up anywhere on eBay. I went for the double slats because I thought they look a lot better than the single slats. I have a quad pipe Eisenman exhaust on here and a rear diffuser in carbon also. The quad rear exhaust is just a back box. I'm thinking about getting a cross pipe, and I'm just inquiring about a cat delete, just making sure that, because it's a daily car, just make sure it's the right decision for me. But these pipes are 90mm Eisenman, and they just give the car a bit of a deeper sound, a bit of a nicer sound than stock. Now this wrap is by a company called Tech Wrap, and they're based out in America. So it took me at least about 3 months, 3-4 months looking for the right wrap. It's not just like, oh, I just picked it out and thought, oh, I'll just wrap it. And you know, it's a big decision. It's a lot of money, and yeah, I just thought that this blue just looks stunning. And yeah, you can check out me, JayBimma, on the Instagram, or JayBimma on Facebook. If you want to ask me any questions at all, I'll try and answer them. And check out BMW East Essex owners. If you want to join the club, come for car meets and events for this year. Right, thanks for listening.